Welcome to an overview on the XDM server. We would like to take the opportunity to thank you for choosing Mentor Graphics to meet your electronic design automation needs. In an effort to educate you on the many aspects of the XDM server, we have prepared a series of videos for you to use at your own pace. These videos cover topics including system requirements and the tool used to configure, deploy, monitor and manage the XDM server within your environment. In this video, we would like to provide an overview on the architecture and the supported use case of the XDM server in EEVX.2, as well as the utilities that supports it. We recommend that you allow these videos to complement the IT Professional's Guide to the XDM Server Utilities Manual that was provided with the software, as well as the XDM Server Deployment Planning Guide document, which is your pre-deployment reference for planning the XDM server setup. The XDM server is an application server provided by Mentor Graphics. This server provides a new framework for advanced integrated product development from the board system division. The XDM server framework is Java-based open source technology inclusive of an embedded database. We also support the option to use an external Oracle database if that is preferred. The product services deployed within this server brings extensive enterprise system capabilities to the product flows while providing an infrastructure that will be common between the framework and the design tools. The XDM server supports both browser-based and desktop clients. This is the new infrastructure framework for XDM Design and XDM Library, expecting more SDD application tools to use this platform in the future. The Configuration Manager and the Diagnostic Dashboard utilities are the two main utilities to configure, deploy, monitor and manage the XDM server. Those are browser-based utilities that provides extensive online help to the user and even provides workflows to promise a successful configuration and deployment process. When a central XDM server is deployed, it serves the remote desktop clients and browser-based clients. You can choose to deploy the XDM server on Windows or Linux. The supported products for EEVX.2 are XDM Design, formerly released as EDM, XCC, Collaboration Client, and XDM Library, formerly released as DMS. You can also use the Web Admin tool to administer the XDM server. To aid you in understanding how to manage the XDM server, I would like to acquaint you with the tool support options. Let's take the Configuration Manager as an example. On the left, you have a workflow that guides you through the steps required to establish each task. For example, how to deploy the XDM server. The main section of the screen has a form that you will use to fill in data. Each field has online help, and in some cases you will have a check button to immediately verify and confirm that your data is valid. Moreover, on the right you will find questions and answers, which will dynamically change based on the operations that you are performing. Just underneath the questions and answers, you will find reference links to key PDF document area and reference to the relevant videos where necessary. Documentation is provided together with the installed software. Let me show you a few of the documentation deliverables. The Assessment Tool and the XDM Server Deployment Planning Guide document will help you to better prepare for the deployment of the XDM server. The Utilities Quick Start provides a quick start to the user who would like to deploy an instance of the XDM server. IT Professional's Guide for the XDM Server Utilities Manual is available in the Utilities Documentation directory and within Documentation Media for the flow. This is your guide for managing the XDM server. And of course, videos. Videos like this one are provided to support you during the lifecycle management of the XDM server. The Getting Started video is the first of many videos that we are providing in order to make you familiar with the XDM server and the utilities that supports it. There are other typical documentation forms you can use, such as the IT Professional's Guide of the XDM Server Utilities Manual, but we encourage you to view this series of videos which were built to make your experience with the XDM server more gentle and welcoming.